Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to talk about you this amazing large multi-purpose storage basket with lids that are a game changer for organizing your home. Whether you need storage for your kitchen, toys, accessories and clothes, vegetable, cosmetic or office appliance, this set of 5 baskets has got you covered. These baskets are not only practical but also stylish, adding a touch of elegance to any room. And the lid keep everything neatly tucked away and out of sight, making your space look clean and clutter free. The best part, you can get this set of 5 baskets for just rupees 15.29 and on Amazon. That's still for the quality and functionality you are getting. So if you are tired of dealing with messy and disorganized spaces, do yourself a favor and invest in this multi-purpose storage basket. Trust me, once you start using them, you will wonder how you ever lived without them. Don't wait any longer. Head over to Amazon now and grab yourself a set. Your future self will thank you for it. Guys, if you want to purchase this basket, then actual link is in description box. You can check it out. I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Love and encouragement you are shown me, it truly means the world to me. I appreciate each and every of you. Till then, bye, take care guys, thank you.